As per the studies, mental illness affect 19% of adult population, 46% of teenagers and 13% children every year. People struggling with mental illness can be there in your family, living next door to you, or working in the next cubicle. However, only half of those affected receive the good treatment because most of the time they don't know that they're suffering from this illness, and sometimes they feel that they have no one to discuss all these things with. So let's discuss that what exactly this mental illness is. It is a physical illness of brain that causes disturbance in thinking, behavior, energy or emotions that make it difficult to cope up with the ordinary demands of life. The two most common mental health conditions are: first is anxiety disorder. 18% of adults each year struggling with some type of anxiety disorder, including PTSD, which is post-traumatic stress disorder, OCD, that is obsessive compulsive disorder, panic disorder, generalized anxiety disorders, etc. The next one is mood disorder. Mood disorder is something like depression or bipolar depression, which nearly affect 10% of adults each year. So these were the kind of disorders we discussed. So now let's discuss about how you can help yourself and others. Showing individual respect and acceptance. Always remember to respect each other, because the best way to get respect is to start giving respect. Advocating within our circle of influence. The next thing that you can start learning and gaining more knowledge about mental fitness. Start talking about your feelings. Talking about your feelings can help you to stay in a very good mental state and deal with the time when you feel troubled. Keep yourself active. Regular exercise and yoga can boost your self-esteem and can help you to concentrate, sleep and feel better. Regular exercise can keep your brain and another vital organs healthy, and also a significant benefits towards improving your mental health. Another thing that you can do is to eat well, eat healthy. The diet which is good for your physical health is good for your mental health as well. So from now, start saying no to junk and packed food and start eating healthy. The next thing, very important, drink sensibly. People often drink alcohol to change their mood, but the effect is only for some time. It is temporary, but it has a detrimental effect on your body and brain. And on the other hand, healthy drinks and adequate consumption of water keeps your body and mind in a very healthy state. Next thing, try to keep in touch. There is nothing better than catching up with good friends face to face. Sometimes it is not possible to meet someone face to face, but at that time we can use existing technology to keep in touch with others. Never feel shy to ask for help. When you feel like that things are getting too much and you are not able to cope up with it, ask for help. Lot of things you can do. Take a break, not from the life but from the people and the things which are disturbing you, and start doing something you are good at. And the most important thing is to accept who you are. Care for others and offer seva.